Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. Guys, back again with not a tech video for you guys but a knife video for you guys. So guys, know I do a lot of unboxing on my channel, and one thing I was really lacking for a very long time is a good knife. And the other day I was going through internet and found I was really looking for a knife, and I found out this card knife, which I think is much unique and kind of different as compared to a dragger or a blade knife or something like that. And because of its price tag, it was pretty cheap. It was around like $5, not including shipping, but if you pay the shipping it's around about $5 to $10. So I decided to pick one up, and a couple days later I got it in my mail. To be honest, my expectations with this knife wasn't really high because it was a cheap knife and it was not a branded one either. I mean, there were some companies which are selling like branded card knife, which I think the quality is much better. They were a bit expensive, but the quality was so much better as compared to this one. And I've been using it for some time, and here is pretty much my review of this knife. Overall, in terms of quality, I think the card itself, the quality is okay, but the blade quality is pretty nice. It does fit in your pocket very easily. You can fit in your wallet. You can also fit it pretty much anywhere you want because it's pretty slim. It's the width of around about two credit cards, two cards, and that's about it. So it's very easy to fit into your wallet. And the great thing is it does come with a pouch, so you can put it in the pouch and then put it in your wallet or pocket, so it doesn't tear your pocket or your wallet, which I think is a pretty good point. And overall, in order to open this knife, it's pretty simple. It does come with a locking mechanism, so the knife part accidentally doesn't come out. All you need to just rotate the small little lock on the right hand corner. After that, you flip the blade backwards, and then you can really fold the plastic around it. The thing I really don't like about this knife is pretty much the clipping part, or pretty much what they call pegs of this knife, because the pegs there are like 5 to 7 of these, but they are not really solid. I mean, when it's closed it's really nice, but you can really easily flip it back open or convert it back into a card because they are not really strong. They don't really hold the way they should, so you pretty much have to put the force from your palm in order to make sure this doesn't come apart when it's in the knife mode. Overall, the blade itself, it's pretty sharp. You can cut through most of the things like boxes. It's not a problem. Even I did cut through fruit. I was comparing to a regular kitchen knife, and it worked very nicely. And if this is a rope or something like that, if you hold it pretty tightly in your palm, it can easily get through. Also, there is a little point to rest your thumb in, so you have better grip when you're cutting through things. Overall, the plastic part feels a bit flimsy, but the blade itself is pretty solid. Overall, I was really thinking about the plastic because when you convert it into a knife mode and back into the card mode, every time the plastic has to flip on the opposite side. So I was really thinking that this may come apart after some time, but it's been almost like 3 to 4 months I've been trying this, and it's still pretty solid, and there isn't any point of like the plastic going to crack or something like that from really closing and opening it again and again. So in terms of that, I think it's pretty solid. Overall, if you want to get a knife which you want to really do unboxing stuff and just a general knife to do most of the things, I wouldn't recommend this as a self-defense because it does take some time to open it. When it's in card mode, in order to convert it into a knife mode, it does take some about a minute or so. If you're fast, you can do it under 30 seconds, but sometimes the lock itself can get stuck. So I wouldn't recommend this for self-defense. If you want to have this knife as a self-defense, you want to attack, if someone is attacking you, you want to protect yourself, then I wouldn't recommend this one. It's better to get some other type. Or if you are really looking for a card knife, the thing you can do is you can look for a branded one. I will put the link in the description. There's a great company which makes just the same design, but the quality itself is pretty solid. So guys, with that being said, I think that pretty much wraps this video up. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.